Hi there, students. Apiece, all one word. Okay, this is a really cool adverb that I recommend you use. It means each. So, oranges cost 50 cents a piece, each, for each one. Okay, so apiece, for each person, for each thing, or to each person. So I want you to give 2 oranges apiece to each person here. Yeah, people will get 2 oranges apiece. Yeah, these magazines cost €2 a piece. Okay, so to each one, for each one. There are enough sandwiches here for 3 sandwiches apiece, which ought to be more than enough for each person. Yeah. The kids were given £2 apiece to spend on sweets. These glasses cost £10 a piece. Okay, each, for each one, from each one, to each one, individually, separately, respectively. Okay, we caught 2 fish apiece. Each of us caught 2 fish. You've got about 100 of these, and I'm sure you can sell them for €10 a piece. €10 for each one. Okay, so to, for, or by each one of a group. And it's used after a noun or after an amount. So £10 a piece. You've got 5 minutes a piece to talk individually. Yeah. I sold 22 suits at £100 a piece. Yeah. So give these the paper and pencils out. Just one piece of paper and 1 pencil a piece for each person. Okay, individually. Okay, so if people have a particular number of things apiece, they each have that number. There were 3 winners in the lottery, and they got €22,000 apiece for each person. Okay, for each one. Okay, so you're using this to say one for everyone. This is a really smart and cool word to use instead of each, and it'll make you look really good in your exam writing. So, after the first 2 rounds of the match, they had won 1 round apiece. They'd won 1 round each. The score is 2-all. The teams have 2 goals apiece. Okay, these are really cheap. They cost less than a penny apiece. Okay, so my team starts. The 2 teams today have 1 victory apiece so far in the competition. Yeah, and that's the idea. Just 1 each. Apiece, formality, 5 informality. Use anywhere. Yeah. Remember, you normally use this after a noun or after a quantity. An orange apiece, £1 apiece. Yeah. 10 minutes apiece. 5 informality, use anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it's obvious. A meaning per. Yeah. 3 miles an hour. Yeah. Okay. Apiece, each, per piece. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Apiece.